Welcome to Fall 2024 with Silhouette Patterns. We are thrilled to present 4 new styles designed to elevate your wardrobe to new heights, blending elegance with the essence of the season. Fall 2024 is defined by fresh, awakening colors that invigorate our wardrobes. Silhouette Patterns introduces 2 standout designs, both in the trend-setting buckthorn brown. Leading the season is pattern number 624, Coco's Asymmetrical Blouse, featuring asymmetrical collar, a back yoke, subtle tucks for a slimming effect, and angular lines that elongate the silhouette. Paired perfectly with pattern 3024, the ultimate pleated pant of the season. These pants boost a slim yet wider hem, practical pockets, and luxurious corduroy fabric, a resurgence set to make a bold statement this fall. They say it's all about the fabric, and indeed the right fabric can make all the difference. Pattern number 624, Coco's Asymmetrical Blouse, epitomizes classic style with a chic fall 2024 twist. This versatile blouse offers a variety of fabric choices, transitioning from casual to sophisticated. For a timeless look, simply omit the upper button and let the collar gently open in classic black and white. Pair it with our new pleated pant pattern number 3024, featuring a sleek, flat front option. The pant's carefully crafted leg shape is key when embracing a wider hem, guaranteeing a flattering silhouette. Twisted knit tops are all the rage for fall 2024, offering the perfect blend of style and practicality for our busy lives. Introducing our new pattern number 124, Kellen's Twist Front Top, designed to embrace the latest trend while enhancing your stature with its slimming effect. This top pairs flawlessly with wider leg pants. Featured in the new Pantone color Italian Plum, this shade adds a touch of sophistication with a hint of glamour. Notice the unique kimono sleeve design, where the sleeve opening originates from the shoulder seam rather than the side seam, ensuring a flattering silhouette that maximizes your height. Presenting the same top, number 124, Kellen's Twist Front Top, now in one of the boldest hues of the fall 2024 season, dark gold gray. This pattern not only embodies the latest fashion trends, but also provides easy sewing for a stylish wardrobe update. The playful sleeves adds a touch of uniqueness and charm. Paired with simple jeans, this top becomes an essential piece in your everyday fall wardrobe. Reversible fabrics are both fashionable and practical. Italian mills are leading the charge with innovative designs, such as the soft reversible knit that combines simplicity with flattering lines. Introducing the new number 824 Day and Night Reversible Knit Jacket Vest from Silhouette Patterns. This versatile piece allows you to enjoy the ease of a knit garment while offering the option to reverse it. You can achieve this by using 2 fabrics with their wrong sides together, or opting for new reversible Italian knits. Featuring pockets on one side and a simple button up front, this jacket vest creates multiple outfit possibilities. White Swan is the color of the skirt and is a new color that allows classics to look updated, fresh, and current. Again, number 824, Day and Night Reversible Knit Jacket Vest, is lengthened now for a fringe vest. Think boho, think the 90s, and then go fringe. This same jacket transforms into a vest for extended use and a great casual look. Simple, great looks that remind us that as those leaves fall, change is really a good thing. We at Silhouette Patterns will keep your sewing fashionable and comfortable, and at the same time present the best version of you with our patterns for fall 2024. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.